Hi there, and in today's video I'll show you how to use Magic Eraser on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we need to open Gallery and open the photo that we wanna remove the object from. After this, click on this pen, which is located at the bottom part of your phone, and on these 4 dots on the right side. Here you can see this function named Object Eraser. That's what we need. Click on it. And now you would need to circle the object that you want to remove. This is how it looks, and after you have selected an object, click Erase. And that's it! You have noticed how the object just disappeared from the photo. After you are done, click Done and Save. Right here you can choose if you want to save over the original or not, so you'd be able to revert the changes. I will click Save. Now you can see this photo with the removed object. And if I will click on these 3 dots and click Revert to Original, it will come back to its original. And that's it! Now you know how to use Magic Eraser on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.